Smoked it. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh, it's a walleye. Don't come off. Don't come off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a good walleye. Oh, it's a good walleye. Oh, it's a good walleye. Oh, it's a good walleye.
How can I help you?
Could I get a McDouble with only ketchup, onion, and cheese? And then could I also get a filet-o-fish plain as well?
Okay, so I got this Lunchies thing for Christmas. You put your food inside of it, and then you set the timer.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you.
You have a good night. You too.
McDouble. Toss that guy in there. Filet-o-fish. Bam. All right. Let's go. Let's go do some ice fishing. It's cold out here for a pimp. There we go. Once she's out on the ice, it ain't so bad. It's a permanent out there. Jeez, people are driving out there already. Big crack right there, holy shit. I'm gonna use the Onyx fish app here. Recently new in Iowa. I think we're gonna try to get down to that 8, 9 foot right there. Just gotta be precautious. Set up right on this little snow shade. Little snow shade. We made it. We made it. I kind of just wanted to set up on the little rocks, gravel section here. Oh, that hurts. Oh. The reason I was being so precautious was there's actually a guy that went through the, 2 guys went through the ice right over there. Not even, I think it was like 24 hours ago. So, just trying to be extra precautious, extra smart. That's how that works. Get some light in here. Y'all. Y'all. I want to use a dinner bell, dinner bell. There we go. Hooked him. Oh, they're just yellows. Dang it. Well, they like the dinner bell with the waxy. Clear Lake, Iowa. It's probably 8 to 11 inches of ice. Obviously, aerator bad. There's a guy with like a giant, I don't know if that's Kevin Paul's or who that is, but there's like a giant sleeper shack out here already. That's over on Farmers Beach. It's actually only like 300-400 yards away from me, but a lot of guys over there. There's 4-wheelers and Rangers and all kinds of stuff out here already. So I don't know if I need to be deeper. Everybody else seems to be kind of deeper, but man, we got into them at this distance before. A lot of little stuff moving through, a lot of perch, a lot of yellows. Seen a lot of that stuff moving through. Oh, 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 oh. Smoked it. Oh, he missed. Come on. Boom. Somebody hit it. My God. They're not even giving me time to, which is a good thing. Oh, 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 oh. Bite it, bite it. Oh, The way it was pulling, it looked like a freaking giant. Just a perch, just a perch, just a perch. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, hit it. Smoked it. Smoked it. Oh, what is that? Is that a crappie? Oh my goodness. That's a decent crappie. That's a decent crappie. Dang. All right. Not eater set. Well, probably could eat him, but we'll let him go back. I don't know if we're really fishing for food right now. Right now I'm in like 8 to 9 foot of water. I kind of showed you guys on Onyx Fish where we're at. There we go. Knew it was a bunch of yellows. Bunch of yellows. Oh my God, there's so many fish down there right now. How did nothing eat the minnow? There we go. Another yellow. Another little yellow. Gotta pry it. Oh, they're all over that minnow right now. Well, we're not catching walleye, but we're catching a lot of yellow bass. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, the yellow bass are freaking everywhere. There we go. There we go. Another yellow bass. Why are there so many yellows? Bam! It's just one after another. It's a better one. It's a better one. That is a better one. I'm using like these little wax worms from Bass Pro. And I don't really know if the yellows care, but we did get a crappie. Oh. I should check that and make sure that's not. Oh, he hit it. Come on. Smoke it. I've been running these clam rods, and they're not, I don't know, I feel like I've lost a lot of fish with them, but the little folding crank is like, every rod ever should have a folding crank like this so that you can like store it. Best invention ever. Been slow here now for a minute. Oh. Maybe I'm making too much noise. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Another yellow. They're just in schools down there, and they just keep shuffling through. Oh, he's pokey. And they just keep shuffling through. Yellow's down there just toying with my heart. He's gonna bite it. I know he is. I just gotta play him a little bit. Oh, maybe he wants the dinner bell or the minnow. That's a good mark. It's a decent mark. Smoked it. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Don't know what it is. Good fish. Don't know what it is. Really good fish though. Smoked the minnow. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh, it's a walleye. Don't come off. Don't come off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a good walleye. Oh, it's a good walleye. That hurt. Oh, it's a good walleye. Oh, it's a good walleye. Smoked the minnow on the thing. My brain is mush right now. Oh, it's a good walleye. Yes. Don't drop him in the hole. Bam. Bam. Oh, that's what we came here for, boys. That's what we came here for. Get the measurement out. Dang near 20. Pinch. Oh. He's freaking almost all of 20. Just a nice, beautiful Clear Lake walleye. Oh, that's so good. There he goes. Finally. Finally. It's been a long time coming, I'm telling you.